What's going on, you guys? So I purchased this wig from Amazon.com from WinGirl hair. I absolutely loved it. So this is the package that it came in, and like most wig companies, they also included a cap and some lashes. So check out this body, like body, You can see some flyaways here, but the bounce was there. It was definitely true to length, and the lace was a great quality as well. Okay, so I'm gonna try the wig on right here for you guys, so you guys can see it before and after, because Chile. But look at that, 220 density. It's so full, and it's equally distributed full. Like, it's not extremely skinny at the bottom. And look at this lace on the inside. I've ordered wigs off of Amazon and I have been cheated out of my 4 inches here. This looks like 6 inches there, but I know this was a 4 inch, 4 by 13. But look at that, super nice. They have the extra at the bottom, but I'm gonna try it on. Boom. This hair is super silky. Like, I wanted to have a hair that was that worked for my budget, but at the same time, you know, wasn't dry, and I needed something full. Like, I'm about to go on a cruise for my birthday. Aquarius in the house. But yeah, I'm about to go on a cruise for my birthday, and I just needed something beautiful, you know? Look how that goes all the way from one ear to the other ear. And then look at, like, that kind of looks like they try to pre-pluck it. I don't ever listen when they say pre-plucked online, because y'all not gonna do it like my stylist, okay? And like I said, I am gonna give you guys a preview while I'm look at me trying to move my little baby hair. Let me stop. But I am gonna give you guys a preview of when I am getting it installed. But so far, I really love it. It says I got a 26 inch. I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is a 26 inch body wave, 220 density. And I honestly, like, this goes down to my butt, and I'm 6 feet tall. I am 6 feet tall, and this is, I could feel it, especially when I stretch, that it goes all the way down to my lower back. Also, I went out on a whim and ordered from Amazon because shipping, like, I got this hair in less than a week. I just needed something that was quick. I didn't feel like going through another website where it was gonna take approximately 2 weeks, you know, how shipping is around this COVID time and whatnot. So I'm like, I don't have time. I ordered probably the hair on Tuesday and I got it Friday. So yeah, that was super quick. And I haven't put, of course, haven't put any heat on it or anything yet, but I definitely need this hair to hold a curl. I've already combed through it 150 times. I know I'm not supposed to, you know, be running my fingers through it all crazy, but this, like, look, I'm about to part this. This part ends back there. Look how beautiful. And it looks lighter back there, of course, because I have the cap on my head. But look how beautiful. So far, so great. But let's get into this install so we can see the final cut, literally. So this is the install video. It did have audio on it, but for copyright reasons, I would just tell you more about the wig. So the lace was great for an install. It melted perfectly. And for a final review on the hair, it does shed very lightly and it does get tangled at times as well, but it's nothing that a little brush can't get out. And I would still definitely recommend this wig. Thank you guys so much for watching.